Oyaore oimore kamoro amora ma intiere. Kawuono en tarik abich dweno mar auchiel higa mar 2022. Kawuono wadwa rwaki e chenro mar puonj mapile. Wadwa donjo e lesson 8 nyaka lesson 10. So for the new entrants, we're just saying that welcome to the streaming, and today is the 5th of June 2022. We want to welcome you to the stream, and we want to go through lesson 8 through to lesson 12, or whichever way we shall reach. So lesson 8, I just want to repeat what we did in lesson 8, 9, and then we can edit together lesson 10. And lesson 8 is choosing a time to meet, or Yiero sa mar somo. Yiero sa mar somo. Chakruok. Jane. Be de iher chamo chiemb odhiambo koda? Be de iher chamo chiemb odhiambo koda? Chege and Peter, asante sana. Thank you for liking the stream, Chege. Mano nyalo bet maber. Idwa dhi kar ang'o? Mano nyalo bet maber. Idwa dhi kar ang'o? Be kawuono ber? Be kawuono ber? Ooyo. Ok anyal dhi kawuono. Ooyo. Ok anyal dhi kawuono. To kiny otieno? To kiny otieno? Mano ber. Sa adi? Mano ber. Sa adi? Be sa adek otieno ber? Be sa adek otieno ber? Aparo ni sechego olewo ahinya. Aparo ni sechego olewo ahinya. To sa 12 odhiambo? To sa 12 odhiambo? Mano ber. Diher dhi kanye? Mano ber. Diher dhi kanye? Magawa mar joluo man e ndara mar auchiel. Magawa mar joluo man e ndara mar auchiel. Ok ahero magawano. Ok adwar dhi kuno. Ok ahero magawano. Ok adwar dhi kuno. To magawa mar jo Kikuyu man e bathe cha ineno nade. To magawa mar jo Kikuyu man e bathe cha ineno nade. Mwange Wajoroge, asante sana. Thank you for liking the stream. Ber. Ahero kanyo. Ber. Ahero kanyo. So that's lesson 8, and that lesson was talking about asking someone to go on a dinner with you, so then you can always get a response. And what we are doing is we are trying to just give you ideas of how to start conversations with people in the Luo language. Get stuck, get into the language that you know. If you know Swahili, just talk about Swahili, but then mix the Luo and the Swahili. Before long, you'll be learning Luo. Now, lesson 9. Where do you want to go? Diher dhi kanye. Diher dhi kanye. Victoriano Fernandez. Thank you so very much. And Angeline Pinabigol Tinaganao. Thank you very much. And yeah, that's a difficult name. Soraida Lomala. Thank you, Soraida Lomala. And everybody else who's liking the stream, thank you so very much. Okay, lesson 9. Diher dhi kanye. Now, nade mariko. Ber. Nade mariko. Ber. Ichane nade kawuono. Ichane nade kawuono. Pod aonge kod adiera. Pod aonge kod adiera. Bende iher chamo chiemb sa auchiel koda? Bende iher chamo chiemb sa auchiel koda? Kar ang'o? Kar ang'o? Thank you, Rodney Robert Yogo. Erokamano ahinya. Thank you for liking the stream, Rodney Roberto Yogo. Be sa abich gi nus ber. Be sa abich gi nus ber. Mos ok awinjo. Be inyalo nuoyo gima iwacho kendo? Be sa abich gi nus ber. Mos ok awinjo. Be inyalo nuoyo gima iwacho kendo? Awacho ni sa abich gi nus okinyi. Awacho ni sa abich gi nus okinyi. Min Ivy, thank you for liking the stream. Awacho ni sa abich gi nus okinyi. Then, sechego yudo ka adich. Be wanyalo dhi bang'e matin. Sechego yudo ka adich. Be wanyalo dhi bang'e matin. Nerea Osongo, asante sana. Sechego yudo ka adich. be wanyalo dhi bang'e matin. Oh, to saa 6:30 obet kodi nade? To saa 6:30 obet kodi nade? Mano kare. Kanye. Mano kare. Kanye. Magawa mar bil mar rech mag nam ineno nade? Magawa mar bil mar rech mag nam ineno nade? Oh, mano ni kanye? Oh, mano ni kanye? En e ndara mar abiriyo. En e ndara mar abiriyo. En e ndara mar abiriyo. Kare abiro romo kodi kanyo. Kare abiro romo kodi kanyo. Good. So number 10, now we're going to lesson number 10, and this lesson is ordering food. Nang abo, asante sana. Thank you so very much for always supporting the channel and always liking our stream. We really, really appreciate. And everybody else who's always here with us, thank you so very much. Yeah, we don't take this for granted. So where is it now? So number 10, let's look at number 10. Let me just go to the back channel and save that. And those who are liking on the YouTube, because I am not able to see the names on YouTube, I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. If you're sharing it with your friends also, thank you so very much so that they can know about this channel. Please let them know about us because this is a very good learning platform for everybody who wants to speak Luo. Now, we start with here. Oyaore jatelo. Arwaki e magawa mar joloka. Un ji adi. So, oyaore jatelo. Arwaki e magawa mar joloka. Un ji adi. Then the person says one. Remember, one is just achiel. Un ji adi. Achiel. So then he says, kare. Luwa koni. Ka iyie to bed piny. Ka iyie to bed piny. Jatedo biro bet kodi ka bang' seche ma chuok. Jatedo biro bet kodi ka bang' seche ma chuok. Then jatedo comes in and says, oyaore jatelo. Be diher chiwo chiemo ma idwaro sani? Oyaore jatelo. Be de iher chiwo Be de iher chiwo chiemo ma idwaro sani? I hope that the English translations are visible. I'm not going to read them because it's the same thing, I mean. And here we want to talk about Luos. Then he says, kanye. Then he says, de idwar mo madho ang'o. De idwar madho ang'o. De idwar madho ang'o. Un kod ang'o. Un kod ang'o. Wan kod pi chupa. Olemo ma obi kod soda. Wan kod pi chupa, olemo ma obi kod soda. Abiro kao pi chupa ka iyie. Abiro kao pi chupa ka iyie. To, de iher chamo ang'o. To, de iher chamo ang'o. Abiro chamo rech mar ngege. Ngege kod dis achiel mar alot. Mar kado mar alot. Abiro chamo rech mar ngege kod dis achiel mar kado mar alot. So that is it. Now I want to go back to this lesson, and just so I do it without the typing. And then we shall go to lesson number 11. So this is lesson number 10, and it says, ordering food. Oyaore. Ordering food is not a... I didn't change that part. Sorry. Ordering food and what is ordering? Nyiewo, chiemo. Chakruok. Sorry, I didn't do that part. I'm sorry. So, nyiewo, chiemo, and then chakruok. Nyiewo, chiemo. Chakruok. Oyaore jatelo. Arwaki e magawa mar jo loka. Un ji adi. Then they say, achiel. Kare luwa koni. Ka iyie to bed piny. Jatedo biro bet kodi ka bang' seche ma chuok. Ka iyie to bed piny. Jatedo biro bet kodi ka bang' seche ma chuok. Oyaore jatelo. Bede iher chiwo chiemo ma idwaro sani. Bede iher chiwo chiemo ma idwaro sani. Ka iyie. De idwar madho ang'o? De idwar madho ang'o? Un kod ang'o? Un kod ang'o? Wan kod pi chupa, olemo ma obi kod soda. Wan kod pi chupa, olemo ma obi kod soda. Abiro kawo pi chupa ka iyie. Abiro kawo pi chupa ka iyie. To be de iher chamo ang'o? To de iher chamo ang'o? An akoth, erokamano kuom miya like achiel. Abiro chamo rech mar ngege kod dis achiel mar kado mar alot. Abiro chamo rech mar ngege kod dis achiel mar kado mar alot. And that's it for lesson number 10. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. And I don't know if I have lesson number 11 ready. I think I do have lesson 11 ready. And we shall look at lesson 11 in a moment. Let me see what I said in the title. You know when I say, the title says 8 to 12. All right, so we'll look at lesson number 11. And of course, lesson number 11, what happens is I'll be writing it out. Now or later translates to Sani koso bang'e. Sani koso bang'e. Then you say chakruok. Chris. Idhi kanye? Chris. Idhi kanye? Adhi e duka. Adwa nyiewo gimoro. So Chris, idhi kanye? Adhi e duka. Adwa nyiewo gimoro. Mar adier, an bende adwa dhi e duka. Mar adier, an bende adwa dhi e duka. Be de iher dhi koda? Be de iher dhi koda? Ee, wadhi kanyakla. Ee, wadhi kanyakla. Idwa dhi sani? Koso bang'e? Idwa dhi sani? Koso bang'e? Sani. Then they say, ang'o? Ang'o? Sani nyalo bet maber. Sani nyalo bet maber. Kara wadhi. Kara wuog wadhi. Kara wuog wadhi. Wawuothi. Wawuothi. Oyo. Obor ahinya. Wariembi. Wariemb. Wawuothi. Oyo. Obor ahinya. Wariemb. And that's it. So that's lesson number 12, 11. And the last one is lesson number 12. Let me see whether it reaches lesson number 12. This is the last one of the day. And what time are we talking at? Okay, we're at 25 minutes. I don't want this video to go beyond this, so I'll just stop at lesson number 11 so that we can always do others later. I hope you had a great time with me, and thank you so very much for those who liked the stream, for those who shared with their friends. And Nang Abo, Nerea Osongo, Ivy, Rodney, Robert, thank you so very much, all of you. Mwangi Wajeroge, as usual. Chege Peter, thank you so much. Victoria Fernandez, thank you so very much. Angeline Pina Bigol, asante sana. And then we have Soraida Lomala, thank you so much for following us. And then we have Amy Gabule, Gabule, thank you so much. Lewis Lennox, thank you so much. We have Omoro Nyabuarikora, asante sana. And everybody else who followed us, who sent a message, thank you so very much. And always remember that you can still have one-on-one sessions with us. All you need to do is just join to be a member. In order to be a member, all you need to do is to go to Luo English Dictionary. Just look for Luo English on YouTube. If you look for Luo English on YouTube, this is the page that you'll see, at least where I am. This is the page you see, but this is our channel right here. This is our channel right here. So just click on it, and you can see it's live right now. You can see it's live. If you look at this part here, see that it's live right now. Now, if you click on here, you can click Luo English Dictionary right there. Now, this will give you the channel, and on the top here, there's a join button. So if you need to be a member, this is where you go. You click on join, and on the join button, there is a multitude of avenues you can join. You can join by paying $1.99 a month. That's about 200 Kenya shillings. You can join by paying $4.99 a month. That is about 500 Kenya shillings. You can join by paying $9.99 a month. That's about 1,000 Kenya shillings. And also you can join by paying $24.99 a month, and that's about 2,500 Kenya shillings. So all this money helps us to develop content. We want to develop content for children, and we are soliciting funds so that we are able to work with children around videos that stimulate their learning of the language. So if you want to join that course, please consider being a member. And also we shall be posting member videos on the member side so that only members can access such videos. And for now, for those few remarks, I thank you so much for listening and for considering helping this channel grow. Please share the channel with your friends. And for now, Oriti. And we're doing well because we are like 297,000 views already. That is our lifetime views, 297,000 with 412 videos. So we're doing well, very well. These last 30 days we had about 9,000 views. So that's doing well.